I'm Howard Hager. I own a business and president of a business called Hanover Foils that makes foil products. Foil products used for automotive, insulation, pharmaceutical blister foils, confection foils, pans, a variety of foil products. Probably things that you use every day that you wouldn't even know had foil in them. Perhaps your yogurt lidding or the lidding on your pudding. In 2009, a group of us started the business due to the closure of the Reynolds plants. There were many customers that were left without suppliers. Saw a niche to fill. Our customers are all over the world. Most of them are in the United States. There's at least 24 states we have customers in right now. We export some insulation materials and other food materials, primarily to Europe and Canada and Mexico, some pharmaceuticals as well. I have some customers that come here on semi-vacations because they want to see what's in Hanover, what's in Richmond, what's in Williamsburg. It's just the center of the universe. We started the business here in Hanover County after looking for a lot of other places. There's a great selection of people that were here in the county with the abilities that we needed, engineering backgrounds or just mechanical aptitude to help with equipment. About 80% of the people here are from Hanover County. The county itself, how tremendous they were working with us to start the business, to help find the location. When we found this 80,000 square foot building within Hanover County, it was a perfect location right off of 95, near 295 and 64, access to the port for our imports and our exports, easy for our customers to find, to locate. We're in a semi-rural setting, but not far enough away from important cities like Richmond or Fredericksburg or DC. Easy to access by air from Richmond International Airport. 20-minute drive and you're to our business. Our customers always enjoy being in the area. There's so many opportunities. We have additional acreage here connected to our plant, and we intend to grow the business on that additional acreage. Our expectation over the next few years is to hire 20 to 30 more employees. The sky's the limit.